My name is Carin and this is Zachy. And in this video, we are going to show you how to use an Oscha Cairis carrier. Now, just to give you a little bit of background, Zachy is 15 months old. He is 30 inches tall, which is 76.2 centimeters. He weighs 20 pounds, which is about 9 kilograms. And we're actually still going to use a baby-sized carrier. So the reason why this carrier is so great is that it is fully adjustable from the time that the baby is really little all the way until the baby is a young toddler. When the baby is really young, use a cinch to make the width of the panel smaller so that the baby still fits knee to knee. You also roll the waistband once so that the baby's neck movement isn't constrained and the panel reaches the back of their neck at the right position. When the baby gets a little bit older, around 6 to 9 months, you stop using the cinch, but you would still roll the waistband so that the baby's neck movement isn't constrained. And then once the baby gets to be about 1.5 to 2 years old, you don't need to make any adjustments to the carrier at all. The baby will fit in perfectly without you needing to roll the waistband or cinching the panel. The reason why this is so great is that I can get one carrier and I can use one carrier from the time that my baby is really little all the way until he's a young toddler. My 2.5-year-old, which you'll see in another video and I'll show you, actually still fits in the baby size carrier really well. So, to use this carrier, if I was not going to roll the waistband, I would go ahead and put it on with this label facing in, and I would snap it. But with Zachy, I still need to roll the waistband once so that it reaches the back of his neck at the adequate point. So I'm going to make sure that the label faces outward, and then I am going to roll the waistband down once towards the top of the carrier. I'm then going to swing it around and snap it in place. Now, the really great thing about this waistband, and this is the only waistband on the market like this, is that there is an extra piece of padding in the waistband that runs all the way through. This provides you with support all the way around your waist. It is a soft and a flexible waistband. So most waistbands, they don't have this extra padding, first of all. And then part of the waistband is structured. So after a while, when you wear it for a long period of time, it'll actually start to dig into your waist and it's really uncomfortable. This does not do that. This gives you the support all the way around with a soft, flexible waistband. So you're still getting the support that you need. All the way around, but it's not going to be uncomfortable when you're wearing it for a long period of time. So now, once I have the waist situated and it's comfortable the way that I like, I'm going to swing it back around, and then I'm going to go get my baby. So now that I have my baby, what I'm going to do is pull the panel all the way up to the back of his neck. I'm going to put the straps on each of my shoulders. I'm going to make sure that he's knee to knee. And then for the straps, I'm going to take my hand, I'm going to reach underneath and pull the opposite strap through across my back. I'm going to put it over baby's leg and tuck it between my knees. Now with the other strap, I'm going to reach around. I'm going to cross it over the other strap, over baby's leg, and tuck it between my knees. Now I have baby in the carrier. I'm holding the tension. I'm going to take both of the straps and I'm going to pull them down at the same time I'm going to bounce up. This will position baby perfectly in the carrier and get it nice and snug. And now he's in. I'm going to put the straps back over his legs. I'm going to cross them under his bum and thread them back underneath. And then I just tie off in the back. And it's that simple. And baby's nice and snug in the carrier and close enough to kiss. Thanks guys. We hope this video helped you. Bye-bye.